How to turn a video into a ringtone on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead to the App Store and download an app called MP3 Converter. In the app, tap on the bottom tab which says Tools. Now choose the Convert option. Then tap on Album and choose the video you desire. After selecting the video, go to Next. On the next screen, choose an output format, for example MP3. Tap the Convert button, which extracts the sound from the video. A new screen appears with several options. There, tap the Ringtone button. Save it to your file. Now, open the app GarageBand after downloading it from the App Store. Create a new project by selecting the plus icon. A screen will appear. Tap on the third icon. Then select the loophole at the top right corner. Now go to the File option. Select the song that you want to choose as the ringtone and add that track or song to the GarageBand. When the song is visible, drag the audio file from the browser onto the editing timeline. After all these, just tap on the down arrow and select My Song. In the GarageBand file browser, long press the project you just saved and tap on Share from the menu. Now choose Ringtone as the export format. A pop-up will appear where you have to save the name of the ringtone. Finally, tap on Export. Now you can choose the sound as a ringtone. Following these simple steps, you can easily turn a video into a ringtone on the iPhone.